Thursday and beginning of Friday. An Arctic air mass builds in on Friday and lasts through the weekend. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity.
Maybe they're going to tune it.
Winter storm warning in effect from 5 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Friday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 8 inches and ice accumulations of up to 1/10 inch. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour. Travel could be very difficult to impossible.
Come on.
Reduce visibility.
Tripping.
Conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. Wind chills will likely fall to near or below 0 degrees Friday and Friday night. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now for the official
The water, though. What? Oh, shoot.
Flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Hocking and southern Fairfield counties in Ohio when? Until 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details. At 3:59 p.m., radar indicated prolonged moderate rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Lancaster, Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Enterprise, Rock Creek, Dickesterville, Attleboro, Union, Ferguson, South Louisville, Haydenville, and Clearport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Here is the... It was 20 degrees with a wind chill of 8 with light snow and fog.
Took them long enough.
This afternoon. What? Flooding caused by an ice jam is expected. Where? A portion of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Muskingum. When? Until 4 p.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Depending on ice behavior, any release of the ice jam could result in sudden rises of water, leading to a rapid flooding situation. Additional details. At 9:58 a.m., emergency management reported an ice jam along the Muskingum River, with portions of the river out of its banks. Some locations that will experience flooding include Zanesville, North Zanesville, and Drake. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Winter weather advisory in effect until noon today.